Moo and Moo.
Farmyard friends, let's have some fun. Under the bright and shining sun, off to the pond we'll splash and play, swimming together the farmyard way. Quack, 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 the ducks dive in, wiggling tails and a big duck grin. Flapping their wings they glide around, making ripples splish-splash sound. Swim, swim, swim in the pond so blue. Farmyard friends, there's so much to do. Splash and laugh, come join the crew. Swimming fun for me and you. Moo Moo cow steps in so slow, with her big brown spot she's ready to go. Kicking her hooves she gives a cheer. Swimming is my favorite time of year. Swim, swim, swim in the pond so blue. Farmyard friends, there's so much to do. Splash and laugh, come join the crew. Swimming fun for me and you. Neigh Neigh horse comes to the shore, splashes her hooves and dives in for more. Swishing her tail, she swims with style. Across the pond, she goes a mile. Jump and dive, the water's fine. Farmyard friends in a happy line. Swim and play, it's a summer delight. Under the sun till it turns to night. Baa Baa, she pops in with glee. Fluff floating like clouds for all to see. Paddling gently, she loves the waves. Her wool shines bright like golden rays. Swim, swim, swim in the pond so blue. Farmyard friends, there's so much to do. Splash and laugh, come join the crew. Swimming fun for me and you. Cluck Cluck Chicken, small and shy, dips her toes, gives swimming a try. Flapping her wings, she makes a splash, floating along with a happy dash. Who's the fastest? Let's race and see. Farmyard friends swim joyfully. Big or small, they all can play, making memories every day. Farmyard friends, they swim as a team, laughing and splashing, what a dream. Quacks and Baas, Moos and Neighs, a perfect end to their swimming day. Swim, swim, swim in the pond so blue. Farmyard friends, there's so much to do. Splash and laugh, come join the crew. Swimming fun for me and you. The sun sets low, it's time to rest. Farmyard friends, you're the very best. Back to the barn, they wave goodbye, dreaming of swimming under the sky.